ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 89, Tracing Precedents. Precedents and dependents are used to show the relationship between formulas and the cells that are used within them. Precedents are cells that are referenced by a formula in the current cell. Tracing precedents look at all the cells that have been used in the current formula. Okay, if it's not open already, please open the workbook Audit Trail, which we used in the last session, and display the sales sheet. To trace precedents for a formula, click the cell E5 and then click the Trace Precedents button. So again, formulas, then the formula auditing group, and now we're going for Trace Precedents. The arrow is now showing the precedents for E5. With cell E5 still selected, click the Remove Arrows drop-down and select Remove Precedent Arrows. The arrow is now removed. Precedents can also be traced to other worksheets or indeed workbooks. Select the Accounts sheet and click on cell C4. This references E5 from the Sales sheet. Click the Trace Precedents button. The precedent is now traced to another sheet or book. To check where the link is from, double-click anywhere on the arrow. As can be seen, the Go To dialog box is displayed, showing the source of the formula. To go to the source, double-click on the reference in the Go To box. It leads back to cell E5 on the sales sheet. As an aside, if the source is a different workbook, it must be open, otherwise an error will be displayed. Okay, let's stop at that point. We've looked at tracing precedents, and in the next session we're going to look at how to trace dependents. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.